Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power y is equals to y power x and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am assuming let y is equals to kx and where k is constant. Now I am going to put y is equals to kx. So x is equals to kx is equals to kx power x. Now I am taking square root both sides. So square root x power kx is equals to kx power x square root. So square root we can write it as x power kx power 1 by 2. Similarly, kx power x power 1 by 2. Now, another exponent rule, a power m power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power nn. So, I'm going to use this rule here. So, it becomes x power kx by 2 or kx power x by 2. So again, I'm going to use this rule. So we can write this as x power k power x by 2 is equals to kx power x by 2. Now I'm going to multiply with 2 by x power both sides. So we can cancel out this x with x and 2 with 2. Similarly here. So what is left? X power k is equals to kx. Now I'm going to divide with x both sides. So we can cancel out this. So x power k by x is equals to k. Another exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So here 1. So x power k minus 1 is equals to k. Now I'm going to multiply with 1 by k power k minus 1 both sides. So we can cancel out this. So x is equals to k power 1 by k minus 1. So from this, we find the value of x in terms of k. Now, and we know that we have taken y is equals to kx. So let's put the value of x here. Y is equals to kx. So y is equals to k times k power 1 by k. So exponent rule, x power m times x power n, we can write it as x power m plus n. So y is equals to k power 1 plus 1 by k minus 1. So y is equals to k power k minus 1, k minus 1 plus 1. So y is equals to k power, cancel out negative 1 with positive 1, k by k minus 1. So this is the value of y in terms of k. Now we assume the number and put the value here and check whether it's equal or not. So we can write, if we assume k is equals to 2. So let's put in x first. So x is equals to k 1 by k minus 1. So x is equals to 2, 1 by 2 minus 1. So x is equals to 2, 1 by 1. So x is equals to 2 in this case. Now if in case of y, when k is 2, y is equals to k by k minus 1. So y is equals to 2, 2 by 2 minus 1. Y is equals to 2, 2 by 1. So y is equals to 2 power 2. Y is 4. You can put any value in other than 1 because 1 minus 1 in denominator is 0, which is not exist. So if try to be put greater than 1. So 2, 3, 4 you can put and then verify. So let's verify. Check x power y is equals to y power x. So 2 power 4, which is 16, is equals to 4 power 2, 4 square is 16. So yes, it is verified. So I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.